Bonjour, Brendan here, Bricktopia 1982. This is just a quick video to let you guys know where I'm at. This is just a small Bricklink order that I placed a few days ago. Consists of about 150 pieces. It's basically all the bits I need to complete some of the sets I've got sitting about. So without further ado, so I've split the package down into separate pieces, and the pieces here should get added to some of these builds. So I think we'll be able to complete some of the smaller ones, but I still need to place another order for the larger ones. So it's finally time to tidy up my bins. All in all, I think we did okay on that Bricklink order. We completed some sets and they'll go onto eBay. We furthered a few builds, especially the pirate ship and the Guardians of the Galaxy spaceship. So I'll have to make a list of the parts that I need, and we'll get another order done and I'll keep you updated. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.